Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Expedition EL. This is the largest SUV in the Ford lineup with seating capabilities of up to 9 people. The Expedition EL is the elongated version of the standard Expedition and offers generous cabin space, aggressive looks, and outstanding towing capabilities. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: passenger airbag, Bluetooth, automatic transmission, cruise control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, power door locks, compass, fog lamps, power windows, trip computer. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.